Well, figured another LBZ Cold Start would do just nicely, since last night was about 0 degrees. She's good. It was 0 degrees last night, so this ought to be good. At least one would figure. Just wait till the battery voltage picks up. There it goes. Didn't see much, but that was definitely a cold one. You can see oil pressure's over the 80 mark, or 90, whatever that is. Must be 90. She's a chilly one. 99 oil pressure. Look at that. She's a chilly. Wasn't plugged in. And nothing but smoke. Isn't that fun? Already starting to misfire a little bit. Shaking pretty good. You can see the antenna. Just because I'm curious, payday's coming up here. I wonder if I could get away with doing one injector. So before I'm gonna see if I can get the, come on. Now she's injector balance rates. We're gonna see if we can see which cylinder is doing it. You piece of shit. Yes, I know I touched the screen, but it usually takes 10-12 tries to swipe in the screen to get it to come off this thing. So number two is being a piece of shit. You can see the camera shaking. That's how much she's vibrating. Nope, there she goes, even more. Number 2, cutting back on the fuel. Misfire. Before I wash the cylinder too frickin' much, because she's gonna throw a fit here. She's filling that cylinder with plenty of fuel, but she comes right out of it and starts running normal. So number 2 is my shitty injector for that. Number 8, I'm telling you, most of my injectors are just kind of taking a shit. And yeah, it's high idling, so it's probably different, but I think positive is cutting back fuel, so I know that doesn't sound right, but I'm pretty sure they're opposite what you think they are. So 2 and 8 need to go, I guess. Maybe I'll have to pop on a couple of lower mile used injectors just to get me by through the winter, so I don't have to keep washing a couple cylinders. She gets a little chilly out. Well, she warms up. I got to get some stuff ready to go here. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. God bless.